Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kipkoech, an advocate of the High Court of Kenya. This morning, the petitioner, Peter Otieno Okiro, who is behind me, approached the High Court in Nakuru, Justice Patricia Gishoi, seeking, amongst other things, conservatory orders against the Affordable Housing Act of 2024 on the basis that, number one, the Act attacks judicial independence under Article 160, Clause 4 of the Constitution of Kenya. Number two, that the Affordable Housing Act of 2024 violates Article 207 of the Constitution of Kenya to the extent that it legislates on matters of housing, which is a devolved function, which is a county function. And number three, Peter Otieno Okiro informed the court in his petition that the Affordable Housing Act is an attack against the right to property under Article 40 of the Constitution of Kenya to the extent that there is no relationship between the contributor of the housing levy and the contribution. That is, you cannot follow up, you have no recourse, and there is no connection absolutely between the contributor and the contribution. And for those reasons, I sought on behalf of Peter Otieno Okiro, the petitioner in this case, for conservatory orders, that the act be stayed during the pendency of the hearing of the petition, which has been filed as petition number 7 of 2024. After hearing us, Lady Justice Patricia Gishoi, and after also hearing the Attorney General, represented by Kimani Kiragu Senior Counsel, Mahat Somane, and Adomeyon Priska, gave directions that because there are 6 other petitions in Nairobi, this being the 7th petition, because the issues are the same, because the other matters in Nairobi are also coming up for directions on the 19th of April 2024 before Justice Chacha Mwita. It was wiser and it was in accordance to saving precious judicial time that this petition be transferred to Nairobi, so that all these directions on conservatory orders, on constitution of at least 3 judges to hear the petition be determined and add. For that reason, she has proceeded to transfer the petition to Nairobi, and it's going to be heard, and directions are going to be given on the 19th of April 2024 at 9 in the morning before Justice Chacha Mwita. And hopefully, we know our issues are going to be canvassed substantively. We hope that our prayers are going to be pressed firmly, and hopefully justice is going to be done. For that reason, ladies and gentlemen, this petition has now been transferred, and we expect that we are going to canvass all the issues on conservatory orders, all the issues on empaneling at least 3 judges, or at the very least an even number of judges, not less than 3, on the 19th of April 2024 at 9 a.m. Thank you very much.
Having heard those arguments by parties herein, there is no dispute that 6 other petitions are before Mita J of Milimani High Court, Constitutional and Human Rights Division, on similar issues as raised by the petitioner herein. 2 orders have been issued in those matters. What this court is made to understand is that directions on all those petitions will be issued on 19th of April 2024 before the Honorable Judge. The transfer of a file from this court to another judge of the High Court in the circumstances is perfectly in order and not in the context raised by Kipkoech in regard to the jurisdiction. Further, it has been indicated that the National Assembly is a party to those proceedings, petitions. So this court therefore finds it prudent to have this file sent to the Honorable Judge so that all the issues raised here are dealt with together with the issues in those other petitions coming for directions on Friday this week. And that includes the issue of gender. For those reasons, this court declines to give any orders at this stage, but give directions that this file hearing is hereby transferred to the Human Rights and Constitutional Division. The matter be listed before Honorable Justice P.C. Mwita on 19th of April 2024 for further directions. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Your Ladyship.
Okay, I'll post what I'll do. I'll publish the final directions, and you will also upload this, but we'll also attach it as a hard copy a hard copy in the file. Thank you so much. And have a good evening.
Thank you very much, Your Ladyship.
Most obliged. Thank you for accommodating us.
Sorry, Mr. Kipkoech, are you there?
Yes, my lady, I am here.
Oh, good to hear you. Although the camera, I can't see you on camera.
Yes, we are.
That voice is familiar. The voice is familiar.
My lady, I appear before you quite often. I was going to request that in light of the orders that you've given, you make a further order that the Deputy Registrar Nakuru ensures that your orders are complied with. That is to say, ensures that she ensures, my lady, that the file is taken to Nairobi by Arana, so that by close of business.
Trust me, Mr. Kipkoech. You remember that in my other life,
Yes, my lady.
I was a leader. And in terms of administration, I'm good. I'm now praising myself, because you have started to say things.
I trust you, my lady. I trust you, my lady.
Trust me. The way it will be done, the way it will be handled, not necessarily saying Arana. Don't worry about the file in which now.
Very well, my lady. I think I was coming from somewhere, but now that you've been a leader around, I trust you, and I will leave it at that. I've been in a situation where a file between Nairobi and Nakuru took about 3 weeks. I had to look for it everywhere.
Now, here I come. I've not been in Nakuru, but I have been somewhere else. And I don't think my administration has been challenged by anybody.
Very
so
well.
Just wait. Because this is an important of this file. We'll do the most we can to send it to Nairobi. And the good thing is that it will also be, the ones we publish, they will be able to see it somewhere in there. Somewhere in the ID file, somewhere. We'll ensure that it is done. And thank you so much. Have a good evening.
Thank you, too, my lady.
And wishing you all well there. Asanteni sana.
Thank you, my lady.
Thank you.